So Higgsfield just dropped something absolutely wild, and honestly, this might be the biggest update we've seen in AI video all year. It's called Kling O1, and it's not just another video generator. This thing is a full creative engine, a model that replaces half the tools every creator has been juggling. No more switching between 5 different apps just to fix a shot, change a style, remove something, or extend a scene. Kling O1 does everything inside one single unified system. And the crazy part, it understands context, real context. You don't have to craft perfect prompts or follow 10-step editing workflows. You can talk to it naturally, describe a character, reference an image, mix styles, upload elements, and it pulls everything together into coherent cinematic video output. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how Kling O1 works, show you how the features actually feel in real use, and of course, I'll run some live tests so you can see the quality yourself. Before we begin, Higgsfield is offering unlimited Kling O1 generations for anyone who subscribes to the Ultimate Plus plans before December 7th. And they currently have the lowest prices in the market, so if you're watching this early, you're lucky. Let's get into the tool. When you open Kling O1, the first thing you notice is that everything sits inside one engine. There's no switch model, no use a different editor, nothing. You can generate a new video, modify an existing shot, extend a clip, recreate a style. It's all right here. Let's begin with something super simple, just editing an existing video. I'm uploading a short 5-second clip, nothing fancy. Now I'll give Kling O1 one basic instruction. Change the environment of this video to hell. Kling O1 instantly processes the video and transforms the entire scene. Although it understood half of the assignment, it still did not change all the micro details from the first input. So now let's specify more details in the prompt and see the results. And that's it. No masking, no manual color grading, no tracking, just one prompt. This is the kind of edit that usually takes layers and layers in Premiere or DaVinci, but here it's literally a single line of text. Now let's push it a little. Kling O1 lets you upload up to 7 images as references. Characters, outfits, props, locations. So I'm going to upload a character photo, a background video, and a prop reference. And now I'm simply saying, make this character walk towards the camera inside the uploaded alley environment. Keep the coat, keep the hair, match the lighting. And Kling O1 not only understands each reference, it merges them. Same character, same vibe, but inside an entirely new cinematic scene. Now here's where things get crazy. I can modify this shot with one sentence. Watch this. I'm clicking the edit option and typing, make it morning, add rain, remove the crowd in the background, keep the character's outfit. And Kling O1 does all the pixel level work for me. It changes the lighting, adds rain, removes the people in the scene without breaking the character outline or smudging anything, and keeps the outfit consistent. This isn't patchy in painting, this is full scene re-rendering with context. One of my favorite features is shot extension. Let's say I upload a short 5-second clip of someone walking past a cafe. With most AI tools, that's all you can do, just restyle that 5 seconds. But Kling O1 does something much more powerful. It lets you tell it what happened before or after the moment you filmed. So I'm uploading a 6-second clip and I'm telling Kling O1, generate the next shot in the same scene. Continue the camera movement as the character turns into the cafe. And it actually knows what to do. The character stays consistent, the cafe stays consistent, the movement flows naturally. You can literally build a sequence shot by shot. This is a full filmmaking workflow. Next, let's try changing the style. I'm using the same clip and telling it, turn this into a hand-painted anime scene. Soft brush textures, dramatic lighting, Studio Ghibli color palette. And it transforms the entire shot without breaking the character's face or outfit. If I ask for manga, black and white, or cinematic Hollywood realism, it does that too. Now, one of the biggest upgrades in Kling O1 is that you can mix text plus images plus elements all together. So I'm trying a more complex example. I'm uploading a character image, a prop reference, an environment background, and an angle element to lock the character's face. And my instruction is, place the character inside the desert ruins environment, holding the reference prop. Medium shot, warm golden lighting, slow camera arc.
Look at this. It created a full-blown fashion campaign kind of shot. Now, if given detailed prompts, it can literally create wonders without mistakes.
This is normally 5 separate steps in traditional AI workflows. Kling O1 does it in one go. Let's end with a fun one. I'm uploading 2 images, a plush toy, and a rainy city scene. And I'm typing, make this plush toy the main character in a dramatic action movie chase scene in the uploaded rainy environment. And Kling O1 delivers an actual cinematic chase shot starring a plush toy. The lighting matches, the reflections match, and the character stays consistent across frames. It's ridiculous, but in the best way.
And before we wrap up, we want to tell you if you include a video, you can upload up to 4 images or elements total. And if you don't include a video, you can upload up to 7 images or elements. And again, Higgsfield is offering unlimited Kling O1 generations for everyone who subscribes to Ultimate Plus before December 7th. And yes, their comparison chart is real. Higgsfield currently has the lowest price for this level of video generation anywhere. So that's Kling O1, a unified multimodal engine for storytelling, video creation, scene editing, and style transformation. If you've been waiting for the moment when AI video feels like one smooth, natural workflow instead of a messy tool chain, this is that moment. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and let me know what tests you want me to run next. I'll catch you in the next one.